Good morning, students. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee from BBT Government College, Chimanpura, and we had been doing the degrees of the adjectives, which would be a 5 marks question, and this is the last lecture on adjective which I am trying to make you explain. Already I had given you the two set of rules in case of consonants, and when you are ending with a vowel like white or blue or true, so you have to add just R and ST. Now when the positive ends, now the rule number 3, when the positive ends with a Y and has a consonant before it, okay, then we change Y into I and then add ER and EST to it, okay. Now you see this word big. Now G is a uh, alright, big uh, like, sorry, this is the word like gay or merry. So you have merrier, merriest, gay, gayer, gayest. So this would be the rule in this case, ending with Y, like the word is gay. The day is grey. Okay, grey, Grey, grey. So there, the ending with Y, and before that there is a vowel, that is E is a vowel. So it would become ER and EST to it. But in this case you have this, the word is a consonant, and before the consonant there is a vowel. Suppose big, G is a consonant, and before G there is I. So here the last letter will be double, the G will be double, the last consonant would become double, and then you have to add ER and EST. Suppose dim, so dim, the light is dim, light is dimmer in the other room and the light is dimmest in the house. So dim is, M is a consonant and there is I before it, okay, it's a vowel before it, so it will become dimmer and dimmest. Similarly fat, T consonant, A is a vowel, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest, okay. This is another rule. And the last one, which I had just prior to that I had clarified, ending with Y. So there are these two words, suppose gay, gayer and gayest, and grey, grayer and greyest. So you have to go by that rule only. So by placing more and most, this is something, there are few adjectives which are kind of irregular adjectives, as I had already explained earlier before, and I have given you the examples here again. So suppose you have, the child is active, the child is more active than his brother, and the child is the most active in the family. So active, more active, most active. Careful, more careful, most careful. Popular, more popular, most popular. Important, more important, most important. Famous person, more famous than, and then most famous. So there's no rule, you have to add more and most. So you have to remember, memorize. I have given this the 5 rules which apply when you are doing the degrees of adjectives, and here are the degrees for you again, and you can try and make some characteristics of adjectives have been given. Just try and see what goes with what. I have jumbled them all up. Suppose there's beware and aware and devoted and decisive and modest and kind and loving and smart and serious and polite. Just see what rule goes with what. So you need to do some more practice in case of adjectives. Now regular adjectives, irregular adjectives, sorry. So you here you have some examples also given to you: good, better, best, old, older, oldest, far, farther, furthest, bad, badder, bad, worse, worst. And the examples are: I feel better than, better today. So the guy is feeling, is the best footballer in the university. So the rules or examples are also given, and the words are also given. You have to memorize the words and remember and keep them in mind: many, little, well, bad, far, old, good. Okay, so these are the rules of adjectives you have to remember, and if you go with the rules it won't be difficult. There are thousands and thousands of adjectives, and it is not possible to put all of them here in the charts and in the class, but you should be knowing what is the adjectives. Adjective is something which tells us the characteristics of the noun and pronoun, usually noun and pronoun. So the room is bigger or the cleaner or brighter or nicer or whatever it is. These are adjectives, and you have to follow the principles, the 5 principles of adjectives in order to. And you will be getting, I have also put an assignment on adjectives. You will be getting some kind of a fill in the blank sort of a thing, so you have to put an appropriate adjective there. So if it is a comparative degree, always remember to add than, and if it is a superlative degree, always remember to add the. Alright, this will help you out, and thank you so much for now.